The biggest impact that PSYCH-K has had on me personally is, I think, firstly helping me to resolve my physical health issues, which was just, again, it just completely blew me away. And also I know that day to day, if I've got any struggles, that I have a tool literally that I can use, and it takes minutes to transform a stressful situation or a negative belief that I have.
On my life personally, it's really helped me to let go of loads of stuff that I was carrying that I didn't realise I was carrying. And it's interesting because when you exchange like hello, how are you with people, you know, everybody bats it off and goes, yeah, I'm fine, how are you? But actually I almost like do like a little inner scan, and I think, yeah, actually I am fine.
I'm a lot more connected with myself. I really am. I'm a totally different person from my first went to the first PSYCH-K workshop. I really am a totally different person in so many ways, and so much for the better. So much for the better. It has helped me. It has helped me with some incredible change in my life, and has made it very bearable and very doable, and left me in a very good place to make very, very important decisions.
There is not an area of my life it hasn't impacted. It's impacted my relationships with my children, with my husband. I would never have had the courage before PSYCH-K to do what I do now. I would have talked about it and known sort of that I was capable, but then there would have been something, and I realised obviously that that was a self-limiting belief that was holding me back from my true potential, and always seeing me going into jobs that I didn't connect with, I didn't enjoy. And now I work for myself, I feel free. I work probably half the amount of hours that I did before for the same amount of money. So I spend time in my garden, I spend time with the people I love.
I don't think any of us would have ever been prepared for something to come along that's so transformative and amazing, that is just, we're all capable to do it ourselves. It's quite a remarkable, mind-bending realisation, really.